So India is all set to get its 53rd Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant, after Justice P.R. Gavai retires in November 2025. Welcome to UPSC Mentorship Tip of the Day. Supreme Court, the guardian of the Constitution, the final interpreter of the Indian Constitution. CGI एक बहुत ही important institution and एक authority है. So let's understand it, how is appointed and इनका क्या role होता है. So the Chief Justice of India is appointed by President under Article 124 based on the recommendation of the outgoing Chief Justice of India. Generally इसमें एक seniority का convention follow किया गया है अभी तक. Now Chief Justice का role क्या क्या होता है? Related to Supreme Court, he is involved in the administrative matters, plus also the allocation of the benches and the cases, plus the appointments of the other authorities or the other judges in the case of collegium. Also, जब president advice मांगते हैं on the legal basis under Article 143, so it is generally the Chief Justice of India advising the President of India. Secondly, इनका tenure क्या होता है and how is he taking the oath? तो generally tenure की बात नहीं की गई है in the Indian Constitution. He gives his service till the age of 65 years. But as we understand that the Chief Justice of India is a very important authority because he is the symbol of independence of judiciary. So that was tip of the day. This topic is important for GS paper 2 and also the other aspects in your UPSC prelims. Thank you.